Today, we'll be looking at the key features that make ReVent Ventilation Fans an excellent choice to replace that noisy or not working fan with a high airflow and low sound solution. ReVent has 4 housing sizes. Simply choose a ReVent model with dimensions matching your existing cutout opening. If your cutout opening is too small, use the cutout template included with every ReVent model to accurately cut an opening that fits your new ReVent fan. The included damper features a patented notch that allows you to slide the damper into the fan housing in tight spaces, like between floors or sidewalls. The electrical connection can be oriented to the top or side of the fan housing for convenience. ReVent has no edges. This allows you to push the ReVent fan into the ceiling and off to the side. Now you're using the opening from the room side to connect the vent pipe and electrical. Every ReVent model comes with 1/2 and 5/8 inch sheet lock holding tabs that allows you to rest the fan housing in the cutout opening. ReVent sheet lock securing tabs lock the fan in position, completing the screwless mounting process. Once the fan is mounted, ReVent's slide-down electrical enclosure allows for easy wire connections with quick connects or wire nuts. The included trim ring hides the rough cut opening, providing a clean look. It also blocks air from escaping into the attic, preventing unwanted heat and moist air to build up in your subfloor or attic space. It also improves ventilation flow and efficiency by guiding air into the fan. The Stay Clean shield is easy to mount, and the design also maximizes airflow efficiency. Since the air moves around the shield instead of through it, like on a traditional fan grill, ReVent's Stay Clean shield doesn't get dirty. Thanks to ReVent's unique features and innovative design, your room side installation can be a success.